That's right. Look at that, a double Rivian.
Double Rivian.
How cool is that? You guys have a great day. All right. Look at that, a double Rivian logo. You don't see two Rivians very often, but here you do. They were charging, they just got done. We're charging, and the Model 3 over there is charging, so. How long have you guys actually had the Rivian?
I want to say, if I remember, probably since the beginning of the year.
Really? I have a Rivian R1T over there. And I saw you drive in, didn't hear anything. I thought, hey, it's the first one I've seen in person. It looks very much like mine, same UI. Yeah, it's very much the same. You can get in my truck, it drives exactly the same, except it's not as big.
One pedal system?
Yeah, oh yeah, isn't that great?
Yeah. It gets to the point where sometimes with my, cause I let go.
Yeah.
When I'm in a complete stop or in a red light. Or with my car, I sometimes let go as I was moving.
I know, exactly. But this one, it just holds.
Yeah, it just holds.
I know, it's wonderful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you guys charge it there at the place?
At the station, yeah.
Do you? That's good. Do you need to charge during the day then?
I mean, they have it charged overnight.
Yeah, but I mean, you don't ever have to do it during the day.
No, I don't think. No, it lasts me all day.
And how many miles do you have when you get there at the end of the day?
It depends.
Yeah.
Usually, I want to say between 70 and 90 miles.
Okay.
Roughly.
And what's the normal, about 300-ish or 280?
It's 145.
Oh, 145.
Yeah,
Wow,
so
I could buy it.
much.
It's way bigger than my
It's
truck.
way bigger. So that's why it just uses too much more power.
But that's cool. They did a really nice job.
Yeah.
All right, well, thanks. I appreciate it. You have a wonderful day.
You too.
All right, take care. Yeah, you can't go wrong with that.